Hi guys, today I got my new G903 here and I want to show you my issues with it, especially with the middle mouse button. Look at this is my old G502 and yeah, as you can see I have cable and I wanted a wireless mouse, and also the rubber under my thumb is worn out, and this is already my second G502 with the same issue on the rubber thing here, and now I wanted to replace it with the G903, also because here is hard plastic and no rubber, so I thought this would last longer than the G502, which lasted for about a year or so now. Yeah, and let's check the middle mouse button. That's the only thing I really have problems with it. See this, I have a tool, it's called Win Launch, and if I press on my old G502 double click mouse, this menu opens up, and I love this menu. And also to get it with double click on the mouse button, middle mouse button here. And yeah, as you can see, and hopefully here, double click always opens and closes fine. Let's see it again. I also have a menu with one middle mouse button click. It's just this little tool here to get my folders quickly. Yeah, just one click, one click, one click, one click, one click, one click, double click. And it's super responsive and it's always doing the right thing. And also I can press the middle mouse button over here. Hopefully you can see what I mean. I can press it here, here, and from the front to the back like this, and it's always clickable, and I always hear the click, and I also feel the click on my finger. So it's exactly what I wanted and exactly how a scroll wheel should feel like. I loved the 502 beside the rubber thing here. So yeah, and now let's see it on the new G903 Hero version, and hopefully you can hear it. You see, double click, nothing happened. Again, nothing happened. Now I have one menu thing here. Again, you see, nothing happens. Now, nobody knows why now, but you see, there is one special area where it's better functioning than somewhere else, and I think it's over here next to the lock button from the wheel thing here. And if you press here, there is a feeling on the finger also. So let's close this thing here. Double click, double click. Sometimes it's opening just with one click. And sometimes it's super hard to press. Look. Now it's working better. After that I will lock and unlock this thing again and try it again. Now Some clicks aren't hearable and I can feel the click. It's just odd. Also I have long fingers and sometimes I press the button like this, so this like so, pressing like this direction, and this is doing nothing at all. You see, pressing from here, I hear the click but nothing happens. Look on the G903, if I do this, it's always working. Like this. G903. You see? Yeah, this is my issue with a brand new G903. You can see the plastic is still here. I left it on it because I will send it back right now. Yeah, thanks for nothing. Cheers.